Hi ladies, this is Jackie with Scarf Art, coming to you directly to introduce you to a new addition to our collection, Scarf Art Untied. You know we have Scarf Art Pre-tied. Now ladies, we have Scarf Art Untied, which is at a lower price point as well than the Scarf Art Pre-tied. The good thing is that if you've seen a Scarf Art Pre-tied scarf in a fabric that you really like, you'll now be able to get it in Scarf Art Untied. We'll offer these in 4 different sizes. You'll be able to buy them individually as well as collectively in a bundle of 4 in 4 different sizes with 4 different fabrics, or if you want the same fabric, just let us know and we can do that as well. But check it out, Scarf Art Untied at scarf-art.com. Just to give you an example, a real quick version of this, and I'm outside ladies, so please disregard all the extra noise or whatever, the dogs and the kids and all that good stuff. But anyway, this is Scarf Art Untied. You see beautiful olive color here for the most part. This is the 40-inch and you'll be able to do it, you know, however you would like to do it for the most part. And then this one is a beautiful print. Beautiful. You can see all those, the paisley. I love paisley. Paisley with the brown and the olive, and it has an undertone of gold in it as well. But just take it like this. Also available, Scarf Art Untied collection for the most part. Take it and then just tie it however you would like to tie it. But ladies, check us out, Scarf Art Untied at scarf-art.com. Stay safe. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and have a great Thanksgiving.